Hey, I'm back again. So for some reason, the last video my iPad just shut off. I don't really know why. But I was working on um, problem number 13. I only have 2 left. So problem number 13, I'll read it again. A flag shows 15 sections, 5 of which are blue. And what fraction tells what part of the flag is blue? So if the total number of parts is 15 and the flag is 5 parts are blue, 5/15 are blue. And if we wanted to do that in lowest terms, we divide the numerator and the denominator by 5, and we get 1/3. Yes, I was drawing pretty pictures while I was waiting for the last video to upload. Number 14, I'm not really worried about number 14. There's not going to be anything like that on the test, but it's what we call an analogy, and it was EF is to GH as it would be FEEF is to HGGH. Okay. So that's that. I am going to be giving you an assignment. I'll put it up in classwork in a few minutes. By the time you're seeing this, it'll probably be there. It'll be 25 problems from the textbook, and it'll count as a test grade. Obviously, you're home, you're using your textbook, so you can use your book to look things up if you need to. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to have you enter your answers into a Google form. It's just easier for me to print those out and correct them than to try to print all of the pictures of your work, because that takes a lot more ink. So you're welcome to do your work on a separate sheet of paper and then just enter your answers into the Google form that I post. I'll number it all out for you so you know what you're doing. I'll actually probably post 2 Google forms because you're doing the odds on one page and the evens on the other page. And then the only thing I want to say while I'm still on here for that test is when you're typing in your answers, there's not a bar that will make your fraction look like this. So what you're going to do is you're going to do the 1/2. So it's going to look more like that. On your computer or your iPad, it might even be right next to each other. That's fine. That's how you'll do your fraction for me. So you'll do your numerator, and then you'll do the slash, and you'll do the denominator. And I'll know what fraction that is referring to. For the greater than and less than signs, there are actual greater than and less thans on your keyboard. If you're doing it on an iPad or a phone, you just have to find it in the symbols. On the computer, it is one of the symbols that you see that you make with the shift button. Other than that, everything should be pretty easy to type in your answers. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. And this will be due by Wednesday because I'd like to start chapter 9 in the new week next week. And since this is a short week, this is a good way to end our math for this week. Okay, see you later.